Hello, guys. So, welcome to today's broadcast of our Arsenal fans profile program where we interview Arsenal fans. So, today we did with Fermi Adeleye. So, we'll ask them how they become Arsenal fans, plus a host of other questions where we get to ask them. So, we are going to be starting with the first question, which is what is your name, your nationality, and what club do you support?
Ah, first and foremost, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adeleye Oluwaferanmi. I'm a Nigerian. I support Arsenal by blood.
Okay. All right. So, how did they become Arsenal fan?
Oh, to cut the story short, though, let's say early 2000, for the street where I think go. So I guess some senior men there, then the Arsenal
I
fan.
try come close to the mic so that I will hear you clearly.
Okay, bro.
I'm able to see your
So
face well.
I get some senior men on my street who say them the Arsenal fan. Then they talk about Arsenal, blah blah like that. But I don't think put much interest then. But let's say
Okay.
around 2002, I begin to have interest in Arsenal by playing this PlayStation 1, PS1.
Okay.
So I dey use Arsenal Madrid. But it can't be like say anytime when I use Arsenal, people know the agree make I dey use the team. They go dey tell me say no use Arsenal. They will give me option. Use AC Milan or other thing. But Arsenal, it just be like the team just master me. Anytime when I just put Henry for front, put this Beckham, then all other players just arrange the formation and everybody they go. So since then, come the this kind of interest come dey develop. But when it come reach like 2005, so I
Okay.
come dey follow all those my go. They go once in a while. Go dey know all this DSTV no too dey that time. Na this Ajasera, big Ajasera beach. Na im dey carry some matches at times. So I go go there, I go watch once in a while, no be every time. So 2006 final, na im come boost my morale. Say no, I go dey support this club dey go. So since then, I no change my mind.
All right. So, mention three of your favorite Arsenal players of all time and why.
Hmm. Uh, since when I don dey fan Arsenal up to date, all our players wey we dey buy, wey we dey wear that, wey dey wear the jersey, na be my favourite. But I get some special among them. Like all those past players now. No, I no dey fortunate to watch Thierry Henry much. Then Beckham, I too like all those guys, but I no too watch them. But like 2005, 6, 7 upward to date now. I just get three favorites. No, I like others, so but anything like Fabregas, then my little monster. I don't know maybe you know him. I just call him my alias Thomas Rosiski. Then Mesut Ozil. So those three players, I too like them.
All right. So, do you see Arsenal winning the league anytime soon and why?
Baba, you know wetin happen. The reason why I no fit talk say we fit win am anytime soon be say the way Arteta dey do things, Arteta never confuse me enough. Like seriously, I wan
Okay.
explain something. The reason why I say e never confuse me enough is that look at Man City. Man City, if they wan do something, though they have the money, I know that one. I understand the fact that they are more financial buoyant than us. But Man City, as in all this kind of tactical, this thing, Gadola no too dey risk am too much. If Gadola wan experiment something, if you don do am once, see as say this thing go wan affect am, e no go dey adamant to continue with the thing. But I think I don't try. I think one of my favorite self where I like for Arsenal when I see they play. And I be dey pray since when we don employ am, I be dey pray make e dey successful more and more. But the only problem be say maybe Arteta no dey lis ten to wetin people dey talk. Maybe im dey lis ten, maybe im dey, because normally I no dey expect make im dey follow wetin fan dey talk, dey take dey select team. No, that show say e no be confirm manager if e dey follow that kind thing. But at the same time, if something no well work for you, don try am once, second time, e no work, just try am divert. Like you dey do something before, e dey favour you, then continue. Look at the era of Arsenal Wenger. Arsenal Wenger is known to be 4-4-2 formation, and the thing dey help us. We don put, even at times Henry na from side, na that backup or Lundberg na im dey strike for us. But Arteta tactics at times never give me courage, confidence to boast among the other fans sef. Tell am say this is me o, na me get the trophy. But I dey pray inside of me because I be that Arsenal fan. Baba, I know wetin I dey talk. My eye don see a lot because of this club, because of this badge. But thank God, sha. So I never confuse me, but I know say very soon, very soon.
All right. So what will be the improvements you would like to see for Arsenal?
Thank you, bro. Wetin I want personally be say get some things wey dey happen for Arsenal years back, and Arsenal never gree rectify am. Though dem don dey try adjust things wey I dey see, wey I like, but that main thing dem never really do am. And wetin be that thing? During the era of Wenger, if we dey lack midfielders, we go get attacker. If we dey lack attacker, we go get some midfielders wey be say dem go good, but striker no go dey. We go get average striker wey be say go just dey waste chances. Baba, make I no lie you, if we get that kind of play during the era of Ozil go be one of the highest assist players on the back, because the way they take free Giroud that time. But most times we go just finishing pass, my guy go just look anywhere, go just play and put. So Arsenal never rectify that thing. Now we get Odegaard, we get many playmakers to make things happen. Saka can give you 15, 16 assists for a season. But when the striker, Jesus now, they go on and on. That guy is a confirmed striker. I like him, but they stable. And we no go fit dey continue with Iketia Baba. I no go feel like that guy no fit help situation. If you wan really go, no dey among.
Okay.
So
all right. So if they give you 100,000, okay, will you stop being an Arsenal fan if they give you $100,000? That money fit change your life, oh.
Baba, na true. Money get power, money get spirit. But make I tell you something, I wan use prove am. E just be like person wey dey rear goats. Shey you understand? You know say no matter how you dey feed am, you dey give am everything wey im want, im go still go that place wey dey go commit. Im go still go there. So na so me I be o. My body, my blood, the water wey dey my body na Arsenal. I know wetin my eye don see. They don slap me because of Arsenal. I dey tell you, Baba, I no fit work o. If you give me, I go just rip you. Na true be that. I go collect that. I go use am do wetin I go do to see Arsenal get for my neck tomorrow. So na so e be o. I no fit pass it. I no fit.
All right. So wetin be the things wey go make you consider leaving Arsenal?
Baba, like seriously, that question deep. But to be sincere, I don't know since when I don dey follow Arsenal. Na like 2018. Now I just drop the something small because e get as the thing dey do me for body. I dey too extremely emotional when it comes to Arsenal. So no be my wife sef. Na only if God come kill me say okay oh this time no dey do it. Like seriously I know wetin I dey talk o. When I still dey for street if I dey toast if I like you as a lady I dey follow you dey I don see you say you like football if I come ask you say you sabi all this football club say yes don say you say up Man U or you say up Chelsea baba the interest go quench o. I no go lie to you I no dey know why and you go quench I no go reason you again if you dey come say I no go pick your call. I bin dey tell my wife before we come dey together na marry as husband and wife I bin dey tell her say thank God you dey follow Arsenal o if you no be Arsenal we go get problem so baba.
All right. No wala. All right. So if they give you the power to make you bring back 3x, okay, 1x Arsenal player, who would it be and why? Just one ex Arsenal player. Make on join us. They play for this season. Who would it be?
Baba make I no long thing. E get plenty player wey I go like make I still dey see for that our jersey but make I just bring back Thierry Henry make e come dey our attacking role make e come dey burst net for us anyhow because I know say we get people wey match those people wey I like Cazorla like Leb like Rosicky like Cazorla many creative players Nasri some of the same I too like that guy but he form so like all those players we still get player wey match am now but that attacking stuff baba we no get am and you don do anything.
All right, so since we don't support Arsenal, what are your best Arsenal moments?
My best Arsenal moment be say say I talk am say na early 2000 that I bin dey follow Arsenal but that day because the thing don dey long all my friends for street since when you don dey follow Arsenal wetin you win dem go come dey the thing go come dey shock me but when e come reach 2013 even that All City game I don nearly dey cry baba I dey cry when e come to Arsenal I dey cry I no dey shock if you give me food I no go shock but that 2013 when we come back win that match baba I go crazy I save dey get some money wey I save I just dey buy drinks dey give people I no wan know whether baba na 2 times na I do that thing o na 2 times one e capsize but the other one give me joy I buy things for people drink I no mind.
All right, so as you don't get best Arsenal moments, at the same time, what are your worst Arsenal moments? Moments you say, let me cry, like you feel so bad.
Fine. I be wan continue am the way I dey talk am before but I know say you go ask me this question because now I don see am when you send am to me. The worst ever wey I no go ever forget na 2011 Carling Cup because I don put my mind say na this one go be the beginning to dey win trophy for this club make I dey jubilate although that FA stand down 4-5 I still jubilate that one but no I no too dey 100% committed that time I just know say na my club win this thing but the one wey be say I don dey spend my money throughout the season baba I no dey miss one match like this but 2011 I don save money as I talk am say I save money buy things for people I come go meet one woman wey dey get supermarket for our street please help me ice drinks down people I wan make people be happy for me I no care any amount just dey ice am dey go because I don dey save money because of that I no buy cloth for myself I no buy anything e come reach against Birmingham wey be say I dey beat my chest for street like this say Birmingham go chop nothing less than 6-7 say I go beat them like small pikin Oluwaferanmi Martins come pour garri for my sand minutes as the thing happen baba I waka because I dey school that time Adeyemi College of Education I dey stay for student area so where I go watch the match far I come dey waka. People wey come know me say dem dey call me after 3-4 days say wetin happen to me? Make I no dey behave like that again o. I say wetin happen? They say the rain wey dey fall that day, the rain too much. Say they come dey call me say make I dash na. I dey waka inside rain. I say I no know whether I dey waka, where I no waka. I no know. Rain dey beat me, I dey go. I go reach house. Now with water, I take lie down on top bed. My bros call me, he come back from school, come dey ask me, wetin happen? I no know say water dey my body. Second day now I come dey get myself, tell her say I know water was that day, I no dey. I just lie down, put on bed. So that day now, very, very, I no go ever forget about. No. So all this thing wey dey happen now, that thing wey we do EPL, the thing, in fact, it hit me too much. But with that experience, so I just let am go, sha. So,
All right. So what advice would you give to all Arsenal fans out there?
To my own perspective, Baba, see, if you be confirmed fan, die-hard fans, like me, you know, say I follow you drag am that day. Say you no be number one, na me be number one, because I know wetin I dey talk. They don slap me for sports center, many things. I don suffer for Arsenal. So if you be Arsenal fan, either the thing dey go up, e dey go down, you gats to stay. You gats to let people know say this club no be say you come run mouth there, no be say you wan support us. So my advice for people wey be say, you know, say your heart, everything belongs to Arsenal. Fine. The thing dey hook person at times. If you no wake up, you no do well, you know, rival fans go bull you, they go talk many things. You know that kind of thing. You go dey watch ball for sports center, person go dey drag your clothes like this, small. How far, Baba? They don win you. They go dey. So all those kind of things, e dey affect fan. But I go on urge every Arsenal fan, make dem calm down. Life, it just be like football, na turn by turn, Baba. Bayern Munich of yesterday, where dem dey now. Barcelona of yesterday, where dem dey now. Wey be say dem dey dominate everybody. Na so e dey be. Chelsea turn don dey reach now. Na dem dey do any up until say dem spend 1 billion. The thing no, e never dey alright. So turn by turn, our turn don dey come. Small. E don dey near. So na make I never lose hope say Arsenal no go fit win anything anytime soon. Sure, we go dey happy anytime. So may our Arsenal fan make dem calm down. Our turn don reach.
All right, so special thanks to Oga Adeleye, who joined us today, can share in thoughts about how he become Arsenal fans. And don't forget, this show now one by one, it will reach everybody. So from me and Oga Adeleye and from the in-house crew, so now get out and thanks for tuning in. All right, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.